Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to install your brand new Oliver Technologies wood metal platform steps. Shown is how your steps will arrive. The first step is to unpack one set of steps. Ensure you have the correct parts for your installation. Locate the treads and place them wood side down. Locate and remove the hardware bag taped to the angle iron. Swing angle irons out. For steps less than 40 inch, only one angle iron is included. Insert the platform into the tubes on the back of the top step. Using the supplied 3/4 inch Tech screws, attach the stair stringer to the step platform. Locate the additional pallet that includes both H-braces, the handrails, side rails, and back rail. Remove the H-frames A and B from the additional parts pallet. Please note, H-frame B has additional sleeves for the rail. Attach H-frame A to the platform using two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Attach the H-frame B to the platform using two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Please make sure to have the sleeve or the handrail facing out. Attach the longer angle iron to the bottom of the H-frame B using two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Attach the longer angle iron to the bottom of the H-frame A using two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Using two 3/4 inch Tech screws, attach the shorter angle iron to the stair stringer. Using a proper lifting technique, flip the steps and platform upright to continue the assembly. Locate the handrails included in the additional parts pallet and remove the handrail hardware bag. Locate the handrail, side rail, and back rail for assembly. Insert the handrail in the handrail sleeve. Locate and attach the side rail to join the handrail of the steps. To attach the side rail, first insert the front top slightly, followed by raising handrail up to insert the rear of the side rail. Attach the handrail to the steps with two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Attach the side rail to the handrail using two 3/4 inch Tech screws. Locate the back rail and remove the rail hardware bag. Insert the back rail post into the corresponding sleeve. Align and drill hole with supplied drill bit. Secure the back rail with Tech screws into the side rail as well as the H-frame B sleeve. Your platform steps are now complete.